We have 2 thumbs up. That means drivers, hands off the controls. 3, 2, 1, go!
Away we go. Sonic Eagles lining up, shooting on blue, scoring. Iron Nest also scoring. Iron Nest, the low slung robot, picking up artifacts nicely from the first spike mark and then releasing the other artifacts into the red loading zone very nicely. Shooting and scoring 1, 2, and 3. Neatly and efficiently done. FTC Michiana showing why they're on top here. Shooting. And now I think they must have cleared that classifier and hoovered it up a few times by now because red is up,
Drivers,
54
pick up
to
your
39.
controllers.
All robots in motion. We are good to go to get this match underway between the Roboreals and FTC
3,
Michiana,
2,
Iron Nest,
1.
and Sonic Eagles. Away we go. FTC Michiana again clearing the red gate, trying to get the artifacts out, pushing it finally with their barrier bar. And 21945 getting fed, hoovering up some artifacts from the blue loading zone, which is still within marks. Shooting, coming in with 2. Red classifier looking full. Orioles clear them. Blue have a contact in the loading zone. That's called. FTC Michiana shoots, falls short, goes into their loading zone, is fed with artifacts, comes in. Beautiful, high, arcing shots, and they score. As do the Sonic Eagles. Blue classifier is looking full. And Iron Nest goes in, clears that. All those artifacts come coming out. FTC Michiana is working hard nearby, hoovering those up as they go because it's in their secret tunnel. They are now fully loaded with artifacts. They shoot from afar, and they're making an art form of it. Landed 2 purples, 1 green. A collision there, and there's 1 short. FTC Michiana goes in closer by, releases the red gate, picks up more. That's a working strategy for them. And their Red Alliance partners, the Orioles, the Roboreals, I should say, come in, and they're trying to match it, but they seem to be having some technical issues. FTC Michiana doing double time for both robots on their team, trying to keep their lead. They're still up about 166 to 117, but they are now carrying the load. The Golden Sonic Eagles, the yellow robot there, 5957, fully loaded with artifacts. Very simple intake from the front. They shoot it up a turret and accelerate it as it goes. The high arcing lobs land very effectively, and blue is closing the gap with red as we get into endgame. We're going to have a little bit of trouble getting a second robot into the parking lot, but Astra trying to shoot again before they go, and they go get a full park. The 2 blue robots both get partial parks, if I can see it. Red ahead.
The Red Alliance will take the victory by a score of 206 to 169. This will solidify FTC Michiana at the number 5 slot with 3 ranking points.